the session. Welcome to Sprint X Term 1 and the very first session, A Letter to God. I'm sure you are super excited as I am to kickstart your Term 1 preparation with our very popular series, Sprint X, and this is the very first session. So let me see your excitement in the chat, people. Okay, so this is your English master teacher Shweta Roy, and I'm super excited to start off with the term 1 preparation, guys. Are you ready? So let me see the Josh in the chat. Let me see your excitement in the chat to start off with your preparation for term 1. And this series is going to be absolutely catering to your term 1 preparation. Purely the same pattern as it is going to come for your term 1 preparation. So let's begin. What are we waiting for, guys? Let's begin our preparation. So this is going to be the flow of the very first session of Sprint X Term 1. Letter to God is the chapter that we are going to deal with in today's session. We will have general MCQ question and answers as it has come in your sample paper. You have already seen, we have solved the sample paper, so it's based on that. So general MCQ plus we have assertion reasoning based questions as well, just as it had come in your paper, and we have extract based questions too. So get ready to start off with this amazing chapter. Okay? So this is going to be the entire schedule, guys. Please note the schedule, the topic for English, and do not miss out on any important session. Okay? So for that, guys, please do hit the the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any important session. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do go ahead and subscribe to it. Okay? This is the schedule for physics, chemistry, mathematics, and bio-social science, right? So if you want, you can take a screenshot, guys, so that you do not miss out on any important session of your subject. So quickly hit the like button, share the video amongst your friends so that your friends and you all together can kickstart your preparation for term 1. What are you waiting for, guys? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so we'll begin with a super motivating quote, guys. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Is it motivating for all of you? I'm sure you are all ready to gain that strength for tomorrow. That is the strength which will help you in answering your questions. Okay? So let's start, guys, with this super motivation on. Let's begin our very first question from General MCQ Literature. Okay? And I want your full participation in the chat. Alright, guys? So the very first question is, what was the only thing that the earth needed according to Lencho? Alright? So come on, let's begin this answer, guys. Quickly post your answers in the chat. Do not waste a single minute. Okay? A shower, a snowfall, strong winds, or sunlight. Very simple. I think it is the simplest of all. It is a shower, right? That is rainfall. Okay, good job, people. I'm sure most of you have got the answer correct, right? So give me a quick high five if you've got it correct. Very simple first question. Question number 2. Where did Lencho expect the downpour to come from? If you have read your text, you would be able to answer this question. 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. Yes, northeast. So therefore, he was looking at the northeastern sky. He was looking for the signs of rainfall. Remember? So therefore, the answer would be northeast, since he expected the downpour to come from northeast. Good job. What did Lencho compare the large raindrops with? Very important question. Come on, guys. 3, 2, 1. Yes, with new coins. Very important. The the large drops were compared with, both the large and the small drops, both were compared with new coins. Okay? Alright, guys. I hope you remember that the snow was covered, the snowflakes were covered, were compared with silver coins. The hailstones, sorry, not the snowflakes, I'm sorry. The hailstones were compared with silver coins, and the raindrops were compared with new coins. So do not forget that, right? Next question is going to be based on assertion and reasoning. So how many of you have been able to get all the three answers absolutely correct? Clap for yourselves, guys. You have done, you have passed the very first stage. So please clap for yourselves in the chat. Okay, so now let's get started with the next section from assertion reasoning based question. And the first question is, Lencho wrote a letter to God, that is the assertion. He wanted a new tractor. Very simple, very, very simple. I'm sure you must have got the answer. Yes, it is A is true, but R is false. He wrote a letter to God, but not because he wanted a new tractor, right? Because he wanted 100 pesos, right? Very good, people. Next is, the postman gave the letter to his boss. The postman didn't know the address. This is also pretty simple. 3, 2, 1, yes, both are correct. He was astonished to find a letter addressed to God, and being baffled because he did not know where to send the letter, he gave the letter to the postmaster. All right, super, very, very well done. So guys, I hope you are enjoying yourselves thoroughly. So if you want to join us further and gain 100% knowledge and 100% marks, you are going to avail unlimited live classes with fun and high level quiz questions. You could compete with the students throughout the world. Yes. And you are going to have your interactive replays. That means the replays are not going to be boring anymore. They are going to be super interactive with live quizzes and leaderboards. Okay. So super, super, super amazing, guys. Plus, you can also download the content. So after each and every session, you can also download the content with handwritten notes of the master teachers. Isn't that amazing? Plus, you can solve all your doubts in the class itself with our amazing team of class teachers, right? Plus, you will have quality tests as well as assignments, and that is going to measure your performance and improve your performance at the same time. Plus, you would have unlimited micro courses and crash courses. Isn't that amazing? So what do you need to do, guys? You just need to visit the link in the description box and the pinned comment. Use the coupon code in order to avail a complete 10% discount. And yes, guys, you can also select for your term 1 crash, which is going to be super, super, super. See, grade 10 term 1 crash is going to be very, very helpful for you people, because you would get the entire course light plan. See, we have two plans, light and classic. So entire course for light only at 4500. Isn't that super amazing? Where you will get interactive live classes or test series analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during the class, with amazing personalization, which is not always there in YouTube. So this is going to be super helpful. All your doubts are going to be catered to then and there in the class. And if you take the classic plan, guys, at 4950, that's also very cost effective. You would also get a personal mentor to solve all your doubts post the class. Isn't that super, super amazing? So do not waste any more time. Please go ahead and get yourselves enrolled to our platform, and this is going to be very helpful. Trust me, guys. All right, and all the micro courses, you can also have the chapter wise courses. If you face any problem in any particular chapter, then you can also avail the chapter wise micro courses absolutely for free. Isn't that super helpful for all of you? So these are our batch starting dates, guys. So go ahead, take a screenshot so that you do not miss out on these. And this is the time, guys. It is high time that you kickstart your preparation and get yourselves enrolled in Vedantu. What you need to do is just visit the link, and there's the link in the description box and pinned comment. Use the coupon code SWREPRO in order to get a complete 10% discount. All right, so with that, we will move to our next set of questions from extract based question, guys. Let me read out the extract for all of you. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing that the earth needed was a good downpour or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing but see the sky towards the northeast looking for signs of rainfall, right? The question is, based on the detail of the house's location, how can it be best described? Majestic, imposing, solitary, or unique? Let me get you to the passage once again. Look at the passage. Okay, so I hope you have already got your answer, guys. 3, 2, 1, absolutely correct. Solitary, lonely. Solitary means lonely. You can see over here, the house, the only one in the entire valley. So this suggests that it was a solitary house. That is lonely, right? Okay, far away from the population. Right, guys? Very good. Next is the field of corn dotted with flowers. What does it mean? Think. 3, 2, 1. Superb. The flowers were scattered across. That means the cornfields were scattered with flowers all across. Okay, that is the meaning of dotted with flowers. Please note, if in case you have missed this or in case you've got it incorrect, please note the answer, guys. Alright, next question. Which quote supports the idea in the given extract? Important question. You can expect these kinds of questions in your papers. Okay, farming is a profession of hope. I would rather be on my farm than be the emperor of the world. Farming looks mighty easy when your plow is a pencil and you're 1,000 miles away from the cornfield. Those too lazy to plow in the right season will have no food at the harvest. So which quote suggests or supports the idea which is given in the extract? What do you think? This is also a very interesting and important question for all of you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Superb, guys. Farming is a profession of hope and farmers are dependent on the mercy of nature, right? So Lencho was hopeful. You can see in the passage it is clearly given over here. The only thing that the earth needed was a good downpour or at least a shower. And throughout the morning, Lencho had done nothing but looking at the sky towards the northeast, which shows his hope for at least a shower, if not a downfall. Okay? So, this is definitely suggesting that farming, Lencho was a farmer, right? So, farming is a profession of hope. Okay? So, good job, guys. Next is Lencho wished for a downpour or a heavy shower. Pick the option that correctly lists the correct match for kinds of rain. Heavy rain, thunderstorm, drizzle, torrential rain, downpour. You have to match. Come on, guys. I'm giving you some time. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I hope everyone has given the answer in the chat. Great. Let's check, guys. It is 1, 3. That is heavy rain. It's coming quite down. It's coming down quite strong, and you get wet very quickly. That is heavy rain. Okay. Thunderstorm is 5. That is a violent, short-lived weather disturbance associated with lightning, thunder, strong, gusty winds. Okay. Drizzle is light rainfall. है ना? Torrential rain is very heavy tropical rain. And finally, downpour is very heavy rain that comes suddenly. Okay. So please know these terms. They are very important for all of you. Okay. Next is Lencho wished for a downpour. Pick the correct option that correctly lists the correct match for kinds of rain. Okay, so such a blessing, God, thank you. Okay, just a downpour, God, and everything will be perfect. All set for the grand harvest. I'm going to be rich. I wish we have enough food to eat after the harvest. So what do you think? What do you think, guys? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes, option 4. I wish we have enough food to eat after the harvest. Right? So that is something which was the wish of Lencho. That's why he wished for a downpour. Okay, great job. And with that, we have come to the end of the session. But wait, guys, we have something more for you, and that is the homework question. So first, guys, a gentle reminder to quickly visit the link in the description box and pin comment and use the coupon code SWRE Pro. Please note that this coupon code is going to give you a complete 10% discount. Now, this is the homework question, guys. This is the extract which you need to read. The following Sunday, Lencho came till nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. So this paragraph you need to read, this extract, and what are the questions that follows? The first question is pick the option that lists the set of statements that are not true. Okay, not true. Please take a screenshot, or if you want, you can just tell me just have a look at the sentences, guys, and have a look at the options. You can right now comment your answer in the comment section if you want. Okay, so that you do not keep on delaying. Don't keep it pending. Please comment the answer for this particular question in the comment section. Okay, I hope all of you have given your comments. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Next question is you have to guess which is a fact and which is an opinion. Please read all the statements carefully and all the options. I'm waiting for your answers in the comment section. Come on, guys, you can do it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I hope you all have posted your answers in the comment section, right? Last question for the day for your homework question is identify Lencho's emotion when he counted the money. This is pretty simple. Come on, guys. Astonished, angry, elated, or indifferent? Let me see how many of you can give the answers. All right, chalo. 3, 2, 1. Let's end it. Superb, 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 mind blowing. I hope you understood the session, and I hope the session was helpful for all of you. Right? So thank you everyone. Take care, and we'll see you again in the next session. Till then, bye. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video amongst your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Bye-bye everyone.